See if we got some work. We're either gonna win or get gapped.
Hashtag get gapped.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't even start. We put that shit in and we tried to start it, it wouldn't even start. It's like, all right. Like 2 days later, Holly released the ECU and Rome sent it to me. He was like, answer to the problems, and I was like, bye.
I love the Holly, dude.
It's amazingly fun.
It's just nice too, because every time you fucking forward the data logs and shit,
data
like
logs,
we were out in Louis' car last night and he made a pull, and I was like, I'll look at the log tomorrow. It's in there, you know.
Like
unlike this shit. I mean,
he's always like, I need the laptop to log.
Well, we put the fucking whatchamacallit in here, the end gauge. You can log on that.
Yeah, you can log on that.
I made sure I put a
The white coupe that we did has that.
An engage in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want to go out?
Yeah, I was just going to check my
will you come?
Alright, so round two. It's Rome and who else?
Rome, and I forget his name, but it's the other black 2650 RPM V.
Ah, okay.
So two 2650 Vs, Rome's the other one, and me. So I'm the only turbo stick car. There you go.
Yeah. the shop. Had fun out there. What do you think about today?
We did good. It was fun. I mean, we went out. Really, first time that car's hanging out with like some real horsepower cars. Did great till like my last race. The race he blew this belt and shredded his throttle body wires. I don't know what happened in my throttle body. I haven't even checked it, but like now my RPM sticks like at 2,000, and it goes into boost cut when I try to like get past like 6,000. It's like freaking the fuck out. I think the throttle body might have just went bad because we were sitting there on like rolling lag for so long on that pass, waiting for them to catch up. But it is what it is. But besides that, no complaints. Car drove all the way there. I still drove it back. I just 6th gear and cruised home. It's fine when you're cruising. This made it back, so you know, cars are here. We're all alive. Fun day. Can't complain.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Aaron did great too.
Yeah.
Chico V. You want to drop his Instagram? That car literally got off the dyno this week also. Like literally all 3 of these cars just got tuned and went out and did good. So, you know, wasn't the greatest day, it wasn't the worst day. We did all right. You know what I'm saying?
It could have been better for me.
Yeah, could have been. I think Rome had the longest. I had the longest day with Rome's car. That shit was crazy. It's like every pass I had to go back and fix it.
Well, I'm ready to fix it and go back. I want to go out tonight and find something to do. Like I need to redeem myself. Like
literally. I don't know. I think I got the throttle body. Another one. I
forget about John.
I don't feel like fucking.
You say you need to assist. You put the time change.
All right, well, that's gonna be a recap.
So,